Hello and welcome to a Smart Study. Today again I am back with another circuit problem. So before starting, don't forget to give thumbs up to this video. So let's proceed. Here we have given the questions. In the given circuit, find the current through the inductors. Means we have to find the current through these inductors. And the very first step that we are going to do is here. First, here we have the trick that considering the upper part of the circuit means if we consider this upper part of the circuit, then simply we can use the current divider rules. So here we have to calculate the current through this branch. Suppose the current flowing through this inductor is IL. So if you calculate ILs, then using current divider we can write here IL is equals to, here I have written IL is equals to, here IL is equals to 1 upon 1 plus j into 1 means IL is equals here 1 upon 1 plus j this and into this current. So simply we can calculate here 1 upon 1 plus j, and this is our final answer. So in this way you can calculate the current through inductors in the circuit. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to give thumbs up to this video. Thank you.